is, munching out on grass. See how big her belly is? Let's see. And here's her twat. Looks a little different than it did earlier. It looks more drawn up. Let me get the... It's hard to see. But see, she's still got nipples, so she may still have a long time to go. I don't know. Yeah. She actually looks smaller today. And the front. She does look smaller. Anyway. There you go. I hope this is enough info. Let me get this side. See, this is the fat part that I was talking about. It's just kind of spongy right under there. Her tummy's still pretty tight. Anyway, there you go, Wendy.